I'm going to show you how a TUBSKY works. So this is our studio bathtub, the one we do most of our samples on and experiments on. And last Friday we had a milk bath photo shoot, which was really fun. I can't wait to see the pictures. And as you can see though, right now there's dirt, flowers, bugs, you name it, in this tub. Right here I have a TUBSKY that's been washed maybe 12 times. It's been bleached a few times, and it's ready to go to work. My bath is clean. A little repositioning. There. And the bugs are still under there, the dirt is, but you know what? The surface I'm bathing on, pristine. And it took me, what, 10 seconds? So easy. And that's what a TUBSKY is.